Spinny, spinny! Oh my god, I can't wait to get a new chair. This freaking chair. I cannot wait to get a new chair. Anyways, guys, I got something cool for you today. I found this on Amazon. Check this power strip out. It's pretty unique. Okay, so I got this on Amazon. It clearly clamps on the desks. So obviously the top is going to be over the top of the desk, and then the bottom is going to be underneath. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plugins, 3-prong with a ground. 1, 2 on both sides of the top, 2-prong, no ground, which is okay. 2 USB-C right here and here, and 2 USB-A. I'm gonna install it right now. It's still in a place where we can still get all of our electronics to it if need be. So let's spin this thing down. Spinny, spinny! Got stuff plugged in there already. Got our 2 great plugs up here that we might need. USBs on the front. Let's go!